when it went down. It was so hard to breathe. I gave up everything in a slow fall down to the floor. Life was escaping me. I couldn't find myself till it was all lost, not anymore. I'm holding on to all the pieces of my heart's debris till it's time. I'll pull it together and fix myself eventually. And know it's
Hey guys, what's up? Feels like I haven't been on YouTube in so long. It's only been a couple months, but I've missed it so much and I haven't had the time. But finally it's the summer and I have time to do as many looks as I want. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Isabella. And if you aren't new here, welcome back. Thanks for watching once again. And today we are going to be using the Life's a Drag by MannyMUA, and we are going to create this beautiful colored look. If you want to watch how I did this, please keep watching. I know you'll love it. So I already have my base on, and now let's get to what we've been waiting for. So in the mail, I just got Life's a Drag by fellow YouTuber MannyMUA, and I decided to just do it. Do a colorful look. Let's get it started. So today I'm going to be starting off with Cake Face. It's this white shade. And I'm going to be applying that all over my eye just to get a clean base before we do any color. I'm going to be using this MAC 224 brush. It is a long tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to be applying Cake Face to my whole eyelid.
put it on a necklace, keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine. I wear it like a message, so I don't forget it. Keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine. I know that it's mine.
Okay, once we have Cake Face on, I'm going to be taking the color right next to it, Sickening, and I'm just going to be using the same MAC 224 brush and just putting that in my crease.
I know that it's mine whether I win or lose. And even though my heart needs to take its time, I know that it's mine. I know that it's mine.
Okay, once we have our transition color into our crease, I kind of tapered it out just so we can get the whole deal of doing our colorful look. So, to start off with our colorful look we're about to do, I am going to use Campy. It is this really bright yellow, and I'm just going to start packing that on to the crease and blending it out as we go.
I know that it's mine.
So now that we have Campy in the crease, I really saturated it so we can get a good look of how pigmented it is. And now, with the same Morphe brush, we are going to use Kai Kai in the outer corner so we can start building up our color.
Facing the change, but it's still tough to see. At first I fought it all. I was so mean, I'm still unsure how it's supposed to be, but taking every day now by the skin of my teeth until I learn. I'm holding on to all the pieces of my heart's debris.
Alright, once we have blended everything out, we are going to take this super small tapered brush by Morphe. It's an M506 brush, and we are going to go in with this kind of burgundy color, Snatched, and we are going to use that on the outer corner just to make things a little darker.
I'll pull it together and fix myself eventually. And know it's mine. I found gold in the wreckage, put it on a necklace, keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine.
now that we have added that dark red color to our outer corner, we are going to take the same small Morphe taper brush and we are going to apply a bit of Kai, this pink color, into our inner corner, and then following we will do a halo eye for today's look.
I know that it's
Now after we put Kai into the inner corner, we're going to take this super small packing brush and we're going to take the color Fishy, which is this super pretty blue shimmer shade, and we're going to pack that in the inner part of the eye to create this beautiful halo look.
I know that it's
This color is super pigmented, but the look I'm going for is I'm going to use some Fix Plus to kind of make the color pop more. Alright, once we have some pigment onto the brush, we're going to use our Fix Plus, give it a little spritz, and apply it to the eye.
facing the change, but it's still tough to see. At first I fought it all. I was so mean, I'm still unsure how it's supposed to.
Okay, once we have put Fishy on, it looks a little crazy right now, I know, but we are going to go back in with Kai, that pink color, and kind of go in the inner and outer corner to blend things up so it looks very nice and seamless.
But taking every day now by the skin of my teeth until I learn. I'm holding on to all the pieces of my hearts to be till it's time. I'll pull it together and fix myself eventually. And know it's mine. I found gold in the wreckage, put it on a necklace, keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine. I wear it like a message, so I don't forget it. Keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine. I know that it's mine no matter what I do. I know that it's mine whether I win or lose. And even though my heart needs to take its time, I know that it's mine. I know that it's mine.
Once we have blended Fishy in with everything else, I'm going to go back in with that yellow color Campy and kind of just make sure everything is blended evenly so it looks very clean. Go in with the lower lash line and we're going to take the color Kai, again that pink color, and brush it along the lower lash line.
I know that it's
Alright, once we have blended out Kai on the lower lash line, I'm going to take this blue Fishy color and put it in the middle of my lower lash line. once we put fishy in the middle of our lower lash line, I'm going to take this beautiful gold shimmer shade, Legendary, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner to give the whole thing a pop and a finish. Making everything a little bit brighter, I'm going to go in with Beat, this more pink shimmer shade, and add that in the tear duct as well. Once we put Beat in our tear duct of our eyes, this is the final eye look. I will be right back with some eyelashes and some lipstick. Alright, I popped my Lily Lashes in Miami on and put some lipstick on. And here is the final look, using the new Life's a Drag palette by MannyMUA. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much and hope to see you again. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.